Imagine a world where the womb is not a prerequisite for human reproduction. How might that change society as we know it? Welcome to Infoverse, and today we delve into a fascinating exploration of artificial wombs and the profound implications they could have on human reproduction. We're delving into the realm of ectolife. Mr. Hashim Al-Ghayal conceptualized this process for humans and presented the actual facility to the world. He thought that in his specialty, first of all, thousands of such ponds would work as artificial womb. They will be filled with an artificial amniotic fluid to provide growth and an infection-free environment to the baby. Amniotic fluid is made from a mixture of water present in the mother's body and the baby's urine. With its help, some essential growth factors like hormones and antibodies are passed from the mother to the baby. As you can see, the water present in the mother's body is very important for the baby. And to solve this problem, the founder of Ectolife thought of replacing this water with lactate Ringer's solution, because lactate Ringer's solution and the composition of water present in the human body is exactly the same. In these ponds, along with this artificial amniotic fluid, many machinery will also be connected, which will continuously monitor your child. With the Ectolife concept, 360-degree cameras in every pound will keep an eye on the baby day and night. And with this, all the small and big changes happening in your baby's body will be available to you regularly in the form of a video on your smartphone. Plus, if you want your baby to recognize you as soon as he wakes up, then every Ectolife pack will have some speakers installed through which you will be able to introduce your baby to your own voice, as well as your favorite songs. And as far as monitoring the baby's vital signs is concerned, 3 types of sensors will be attached to the baby's pound. First, a bioimpedance sensor, which will measure the amount of water and muscle mass by passing a light current in the baby's body. Second is an electrocardiogram, ECG, which will keep track of the baby's heart rate. And the last is photoplethysmography, which, like a smartwatch, will measure the baby's oxygen level. If everything turns out to be normal, then fine. But if anything turns out to be wrong, then an AI-controlled scanner will immediately scan both the defects of the body and the DNA disturbance behind it. The basic idea is that before placing each child in a pound, the data of the child's parents and all the genetic disorders will be loaded into the AI system of that pound. After this, the only work that AI does is to continuously sequence the DNA of every new cell of that child. It has to be matched with its parents, and wherever it is found that a disease-causing gene is being replicated in place of normal DNA, an appropriate gene has to be immediately selected from the stock of its healthy DNA and fitted. The sooner it identifies and repairs the defective DNA, the greater the chances that the generation of cells born after that cell will be born healthy. Interesting, right? What is even more interesting is that you can see that it is not only a matter of genetic disorders or infections. Such things happen due to a lack of dietary nutrition and an angiogenic environment. The preventive solution for all is already present in Ectolife. According to this, all the ponds will be connected to these big tanks, one nutrition tank, which will distribute essential fluids like nutrition and oxygen, and the other waste management tank, which will recycle the waste coming from the baby. Both of these tubes will be connected to each pound through large pipes, to the baby's umbilical cord through the artificial umbilical cord present in the pounds. This will ensure that oxygen and nutrition first pass through the baby's digestive system and get collected in the waste tank. This will start happening, and then as this waste product accumulates in large quantities, it will be recycled through enzymatic recycling technology and put back into the nutrition tank. That is, with their help, the baby will develop in a safe and secure environment at all times, and as soon as the development is complete, it can be taken out with just a simple button press. All this certainly sounds interesting, but right now it is just at a concept stage. Who knows if it will emerge as a new reality in the next 30-40 years? What is your opinion? Let us know by commenting, and if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.